Hey y'all, Snowgrave is here! Sorry, no fancy fanfare for this one. Reality check, real quick, just to dip behind the curtain. I've barely had any time to draw because every spare second has gone to patching holes in our slowly sinking ship. The long and short of it is, Mom and I both lost our jobs last year and have been barely staying afloat financially. However, this is not a sob story. I'm happy to report that things are much better since I posted that SOS a couple weeks ago. And as far as work goes, I basically went from none to a ton. Literally overnight. As of this week, we both got a job and I'm now working 4 part-times, which is awesome and awful. I'm so tired. But hoping to lock things down by mid-April so that one can take over everything eventually. So apologies for the lack of art. This transition has been a lot, but we're on our way up. Busy, but good busy. Yours truly is a tough cookie. Yes, I am overwhelmed right now, but these contests really do force me to stay creative, and that's very important right now in these trying times. And don't worry about YouTube. Your girl's not a quitter, so that's not going anywhere. I'm way too stubborn to give that up now. So as promised, here's the contest, but it's incomplete. However, I actually prefer these more open-ended contests because rather than just coloring in my line art, it forces you guys to do more of the creative legwork and the results are more varied. And the nice thing is these contests mainly are to give you something to start with and you finish the picture on your own time in your own way. So the sketches include everything that you've seen up until now via my YouTube posts. And I'm still working on the final sketch that I've landed on, but will add things as I finish them. So subscribe to stay up to date with contest announcements via my YouTube posts. And if you do have access to Photoshop, periodically check back in on the Google Drive link and it will update in real time as I'm working on it. Now, if you're swamped like me and you want to do the contest but can't, don't worry, bro. I get it. It's okay. You can always download it now and finish it later. I'm always happy to offer feedback through email. However, for those that are able to make the cutoff, we'll take a proper look at the end and do a full critique for all the entries. My deadline was spring break, and a lot of us are on break or coming from break, so I wanted to give you guys something. And if you missed the last contest, you can always go to my Patreon, which now has access to all the previous contests. So for this one, Snowgrave, deadline is Sunday, April 26th. If you have no idea what deltarune is, don't worry about it. Just fun, creepy, scary ice. That's enough for now. So lastly, I just really quickly need to say thank you to anyone who's rewatched a video, found a tutorial helpful, or just enjoys my work. Thank you. I really have been not a full human these last few months, and you guys keep me going. This community is everything to me, so thank you. We're closer than ever to monetization, and that'll allow me to finally hire an editor so I can get stuff out to you guys faster. Ooh, can't wait for that. Hallelujah. So for now, PLD, keep playing, keep loving, keep dreaming, and I'll catch you guys on the other side when things are hopefully much calmer. So thanks for watching, and love and peace. See you next time.